Hey everyone, and welcome to Accounting Quiz Time. Get ready to test your knowledge. Drop your answers in the comments as we go along and let's see how you do. Ready? Let's get started. First up, question 1. What is the main purpose of accounting? Is it A, to record financial transactions, B, to produce goods and services, C, to hire employees, or D, to advertise a company? Think it over. Time's up. The correct answer is A. The core purpose of accounting is to accurately record and organize all the financial transactions of a business. All right, moving on to question 2. Which of the following is an example of an asset? Is it A, bank loan, B, office equipment, C, rent expense, or D, salary payment? What do you think? And the answer is B. Office equipment is an asset because it's something the business owns and it provides future economic value. Question 3 is a classic in the accounting equation. Assets equal liabilities plus what? Is it A, expenses, B, capital, C, revenue, or D, income? You should know this one, okay? The answer is B, capital. The fundamental accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus capital, showing exactly how a company's assets are financed. Next. Question 4. Which financial statement shows a company's profit or loss over a period of time? Is it A, the balance sheet, B, the statement of cash flows, C, the income statement, or D, the trial balance? Let's see. And the correct answer is C. The income statement, also known as the profit and loss statement, details revenues and expenses to calculate the net profit or loss. Halfway there. Question 5. What does the term liability mean in accounting? Does it mean A, what the business owns, B, what the business owes, C, the profit made by the business, or D, the total capital invested? Let's lock in those answers. The answer is B. Liabilities are a company's financial obligations, or debts basically, what it owes to others. Let us look at a practical scenario for question 6. Which account is affected when a business buys new office furniture using cash? Is it A, the furniture account, B, the capital account, C, the rent account, or D, the sales account? What's your pick? The correct answer is A, the furniture account. This account increases because the business has acquired a new asset. On to question 7. What type of account is rent expense? Is it A, an asset, B, a liability, C, an expense, or D, an income account? This should be a quick one. And the answer is C, an expense. As the name suggests, rent expense is a cost incurred in the process of running the business. Question 8. When a customer pays cash for goods they've purchased, which account increases? Is it A, purchases, B, cash, C, creditors, or D, sales returns? Think about the flow of money. The correct answer is B, cash. The business's cash balance goes up because it has received money directly from the customer. We're almost at the end. Question 9. Which of these statements best describes the concept of depreciation? Is it A, an increase in an asset's value, B, a decrease in an asset's value over time, C, cash received from customers, or D, a loan repayment? And the answer is a B. Depreciation is the accounting method used to allocate the cost of a tangible asset over its useful life, reflecting its decrease in value. And finally, our last question. Which account is not a liability? Is it A, accounts payable, B, bank loan, C, accounts receivable, or D, unearned revenue? Think carefully about what each term means. Okay, time's up. The answer is C, accounts receivable. This is an asset, as it represents money that customers owe to the business. And that's a wrap. Congratulations on completing our accounting quiz. How did you do? Go ahead and tally up your score, then drop it in the comments below. We'd love to see who got a perfect 10. Thanks so much for playing along. If you enjoyed this, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quizzes and content. See you next time.